Yo, fakey ass lip gloss. It's all like pain crap.
Hello, so we just got done getting ready. We woke up around like 4:30 and we have chicken by 8. So therefore we get like 2.5 hours to get ready and pack up our stuff and go there. Yeah, so we're on our way there. We just got done packing and we are heading out. It's 7.
Louie, don't forget your phone. Oh yeah, I gotta take these waters too. Louie, don't forget the heels.
Yeah, so anyways, we're heading out. Yeah, we're heading out and we're doing our home song. Wish us luck.
Hey guys, we are going back to the new year. We are putting things in the car. I'll miss this hotel, although it was like expensive. I gotta say the pool was kind of nice. Julia, are you excited? Mindy, are you excited? What? Are you excited? Are y'all excited?
Yeah, we're excited.
Yes. Yeah, hopefully we place.
Alright. Alright, we'll meet you guys there. You guys have the location, right? Right, yeah. Ming, did you check out? No? Oh shit. My horn!
I'm not gonna walk over there.
Oh my god!
We're going on a trip on a favorite rocket ship. I just realized how square your face is. I pointed the arm button so we get there. No, your face is very round. Well, like, right now, it's square.
We just arrived. We like came just in time. We were like 5 minutes early before 8 o'clock. Made it just in time. No one is here. We're just gonna change out here. We're not changing out here, but like have our stuff out here because the changing room over there is like really packed, and these girls here are changing out here because it's like that's how packed it is in there. There's like not enough space for all the girls. But yes, we're excited. Make sure like your horns are got done practicing, so we're really tired. And majority of us is really like constipated. And like still nobody here. Only a little bit. So I I guess since a carpet, like it's not like smooth and like, what is it? Like, what? Yeah. 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 Yeah, so I guess since the carpet isn't like, it's like kind of wrinkly, it's not like sturdy, I guess you could say. They don't want the dancers to be dancing on it. Not because like there's some girls that are doing like lip tipping and doing flips. So then yeah. So then they don't want us to be on there until like it's sturdy and like yeah. So then singing competition is going first. It's not a dance competition. Originally yesterday it was singing first, then dance. Then today it's supposed to like switch, so dance competition first and then singing. But they had to switch it back to normal because due to the carpet issues. So I mean that's good. At least we don't have to like rush ourselves.